Hi, Manny. Kamusta ka na? Happy birthday and regards sa inyo lahat. Sa mga pamilya. Yan.
Sino ka ba?
Ewan ko si... pala si Rene. Nagkamali Embassy.
Hey,
bonjour maman. Bon anniversaire à vous. Hein, bien les choses. Happy birthday. Love you. Merci.
Yeah?
Love your mom. Good love.
Of course.
Long life.
Introduce yourself.
I'm Dr. Long friend. Working with him.
Alright.
And he's a good friend.
Mali Embassy kami. Many more birthdays. And be happy.
That's his name. Apa kira-kira? Udah parah sih, tak kita.
Kasamahan ko sa episode Cristo para sa
Yan.
There you go.
Hello, Emma. This is Abram. I just want to greet you a happy birthday. Your birthday is a celebration of the people, by the people, for the people. I wish you all the best. Abram Lincoln.
Hey, Mom. I'm sorry. Mom is not around. He's busy. Anyway, Barack is extending his greetings to you. Happy birthday, alright? Hope you have a nice birthday. And if someone is around, you wish you a happy birthday too instead. How about
Happy birthday, Mom. Have a great one, all the way from Dallas, Texas.
Is
Hope
her
it's
name?
your best.
Is her
I'm
name?
Judy.
There you go. Thank you very much.
Hi, Ma'am. Dito ako sa Basilica. Wala si Monsignor. Kasama daw ni Sister. Anyway, susubukan kay Pope. I hope you still remember this. National Shrine. Love you, Ma'am. Have a blessed and more blessings on your birthday. Bye. Ay, naku, Ma. Pati yung mga US senators wala. Nag-lunch out daw sila lahat. So, hingi sana ako ng birthday package mo. Binigay sa akin stimulus package. Capitol Hill. I have a dream. Alam mo kung Martin Luther King. I'm here at the Lincoln Memorial. Just want to wish you a happy birthday, Mom. Binati ka na ni Abraham Lincoln and some of my friends. I hope you're having fun. I wish you all the best, Mom. I miss you so much. Happy birthday. Bye. Love you.